The importance of clean and healthy water is a given. But what is the best way to ensure easy access to healthy drinking water? The most convenient way is a simple water cooler dispenser. Having easy access to drinkable water also encourages people to drink more. Where you wish to put your water dispenser, and whether you want more than just hot and cold water, will help you decide which is the best water cooler dispenser for your home or office. Today we are going to review 5 best water cooler dispensers of this year, and we are going to start our list with Primo H Trio Dispenser. Add a bit of luxury to your home or business with a water dispenser that doubles up as a single-serve K-cup coffee maker. 3-pod sizes or take advantage of the reusable filter. This bottom-loading dispenser is one of the few reasonably priced dispensers that can do K-cups or compatible coffee pods, not Nespresso pods. The slot can take 6, 8 or 10 ounce pods, so you can control the brew strength, and the top tray holds 20 pods. Like most other K-cup makers or Keurigs, you can also use a disposable filter if you want to save on the waste. One thing worth pointing out is that you have to wait about 3 or so minutes after pulling 2 shots, so it's not so great for back-to-back cups. Apart from making coffee, this machine will dispense hot and cold water. On the other hand, there's no option for room temperature water. People by and large have a positive experience with this dispenser, and it's also Energy Star rated with a UL listing for electrical safety. It is available in 2 colors, this more popular black color, and one in black and stainless steel. And as always, the link is in the description below. Next up is Avalon Premium A5C WTRCLRBLK. A stylish, hot and cold water, countertop dispenser that is easy to carry and can hold a 3 or a 5-gallon water jug. This compact Avalon measures some 12 by 12 inches and 19 inches high, so it can sit easily on a kitchen tabletop, or any place suitable for a coffee or drink station. It can't go beneath a counter overhang, but it takes a 3 or 5-gallon bottle, so you can vary the extra height accordingly. The clearance height for the dispenser is 7 inches, so it's not a good fit for a travel flask. It's just a basic hot, 185F, and cold, 47F. Water dispenser, but if you switch off the heater or cooler at the back, you can choose to have room temperature water instead of either hot or cold. Additionally, it has a hot water lock, is UL certified and also has an Energy Star rating. The hot tank can hold up to 1 liter of water, which is enough for 3 to 4 mugs of coffee in the morning. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to heat up, and there's a hot water safety lock on the paddle. Cold water takes about an hour to get down to temperature, and the tank holds 3 liters. Next one is Avalon A5C Self-Cleaning Water Cooler. All your hot and cold water needs taken care of for up to 6 months at a time with dual-level filtration. Filtered water comes at a cost which varies a lot depending on the level of filtration, or the deal you can get for bottled water. On the other hand, with a bodiless water dispenser with a filter, you can be more certain about the purity of your water, and it may often cost you less. The filters only need to be changed every 6 months or 2 500 gallons, and one set of Avalon filters works out to about 6 cents per gallon of water. This dispenser has a dual tank system where the hot water tank holds 1.16 liters of water, and the cold tank some 3.6 liters. It takes 15 minutes for the hot water to reach the maximum temperature of 185F, and 1 hour for water to cool to 47F. The self-sanitizing ozone injection system will clear out bacteria in your water lines and dispenser nozzles, but you still need to clean the cold water tank at least every 6 months. Again, the link is in the description. Next in the list of best water cooler dispenser is Avalon Aboma Nutricooler Self-Cleaning Dispenser. If you're looking for a higher grade of machine, then a machine with a self-sanitizing function and other additional safeguards is the way to go. Typical features of the Avalon include a night or drip tray light, a hot water safety lock, and an empty bottle indicator. Avalon and Brio both have Energy Star ratings as well as UL for electrical safety, and NSF 372 for lead-free manufacturing contamination. In contrast, Whirlpool is not NSF certified. The hot water tank holds 1.16 liters, so it's good for 4 hot drinks back to back, and the temperature is around 185F. The cold water tank holds 3.6 liters and the low temperature is 47F. The self-cleaning function has to be run manually at least once a week, and afterwards you cannot dispense water for 90 minutes. Top of the list is Homelabs bottom-loading water dispenser. The best water cooler dispenser to buy is one that offers affordable value and key performance features, with the least amount of potential hassle. We carefully examined hundreds of user reports and summarized our findings so you can make the best choice for yourself as well. We chose Homelabs because they have the best manufacturing quality, the best warranty, and key performance is good for the price. However, this machine is a little smaller than others, so the bottle is a tight fit, which means some water brands might not be suitable depending on the bottle design. Standard features and functions for this class of machine include hot, cold and ambient water, 3 or 5 gallon bottle replacements, a hot water safety lock, an on/off switch for cold and hot water, a night light, Energy Star and UL listings. A couple of things add some extra value for your money, namely a refill alert for when your water bottle runs low, and a 2-year warranty. One key difference with this Homelabs is it is just one water nozzle, so you can pour more than one type of water at a time. For this price point, you are not going to get any self-sanitizing function, either ozone or a UV light, but it's affordable and not a bad deal at all. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. See you on the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.